Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And just for reference, this is a 5.5 millimeters thick dowel. And let's keep this simple. Just grab your mallet, with the dowel in place, start tapping this down. And now I'm simply going to put this part in here. And we already have our love knot. And with the pieces out of the pickle solution, take your tribulette, your plastic mallet and go to town. And here they are, the love knot rings. And I really had fun making these. Again, this one was way easier. So next time I think I would go for a 1.5 millimeter wire. That's a bit sturdier, but it's not as thick and difficult to shape as this one. And I have to say that this one secretly is my favorite, because I really like how elegant this is looking.